Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Huawei Watch Ultimate. First, begin by pressing and holding the top physical button for 3 seconds to power on your new device. Next, download the Huawei Health application onto your smartphone, available on both Android and iOS app stores. Once installed, open the app and follow the simple on-screen instructions to pair your watch using Bluetooth, ensuring both devices are near each other. Complete the initial setup by entering your personal details for accurate health tracking. Your Huawei Watch Ultimate offers comprehensive health monitoring right from your wrist. Swipe right on the watch face to find the heart rate widget, which provides continuous readings. To measure your blood oxygen saturation, navigate to the SpO2 application and remain still for approximately 15 seconds. Detailed sleep analysis, including sleep stages and breathing quality, is accessible through the Huawei Health application each morning. You can also track your stress levels and practice guided breathing exercises. For fitness enthusiasts, the Huawei Watch Ultimate is an excellent companion. Simply press the bottom physical button to access the workout menu and select from over 100 diverse activity modes. The advanced dual-band 5 system GNSS provides highly accurate location tracking for all your outdoor adventures, ensuring precise distance and route mapping. Your daily activity rings, covering steps, distance, and active hours, update continuously on the watch face. Review all your detailed workout summaries and performance metrics directly in the Huawei Health application. Customize your Huawei Watch Ultimate to perfectly match your style and needs. Browse hundreds of watch faces in the Huawei Health application to find your perfect display, or even create a custom one with your own photos. Stay connected with notifications for calls, messages, and social media applications delivered directly to your wrist. You can easily manage which applications send alerts through the watch settings on your phone. Quickly respond to incoming messages with preset or customizable quick replies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.